What if I told you your car could last 20 years or more and still drive like new without needing a major engine or transmission replacement? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the shocking truth. Cars today are engineered to easily last 2 decades if you follow one simple principle: the right maintenance routine. The problem: most drivers either don't know it or assume it's too complicated. In reality, it's simple, inexpensive, and proven by drivers who've taken their vehicles well past 300,000 miles. Stick around, because I'm about to give you the ultimate maintenance routine to make your car last 20 plus years. And habit number 5. Almost nobody does it, yet it's one of the biggest game changers for long-term reliability. Why cars fail before their time. Most cars don't fail because of bad design. They fail because of neglect. Small issues snowball into big ones. Fluids degrade, seals dry out, and components wear prematurely. Manufacturers plan for vehicles to last beyond 200,000 miles under normal maintenance, yet most owners don't even make it halfway before trading them in. Why? Because they treat maintenance as a fix-it-when-it-breaks situation instead of a prevent-it-from-breaking habit. This routine changes that mindset completely. Step 1. Engine oil and filter every 5,000 miles or 6 months. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Over time, it breaks down and collects contaminants, creating sludge and wear. Even with synthetic oil claiming 10,000 to 15,000 mile intervals, extreme conditions like short trips, stop-and-go traffic, and towing reduce its lifespan drastically. What to do? Use a high-quality synthetic or synthetic blend oil that meets your manufacturer's specs. Change oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. Always replace the oil filter with a quality one, WIX, OEM, or BOSCH. Result: engines that follow strict oil changes regularly show less than half the wear at 100,000 miles compared to those on extended intervals. Step 2. Transmission fluid every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. Most drivers never touch transmission fluid until something goes wrong. Modern transmissions, especially CVTs and dual clutch systems, are extremely sensitive to fluid condition. Old, oxidized fluid leads to slipping, harsh shifts, and eventually transmission failure. What to do? Use only the exact fluid type recommended by the manufacturer. Flush or drain and fill every 30,000 to 40,000 miles. Install a magnetic drain plug if available to catch metal shavings. Result: with this habit, it's common for transmissions to last 250,000 miles or more without a rebuild. Step 3. Cooling system every 2 to 4 years. Coolant isn't just antifreeze. It prevents overheating and protects internal metal from corrosion. Old coolant turns acidic, eating away at aluminum parts and gaskets. What to do? Drain and refill coolant every 2 to 4 years, even if it's long life. Inspect hoses, thermostat, and radiator cap for wear every year. Use distilled water when mixing coolant to avoid mineral buildup. Result: a well-maintained cooling system prevents one of the most common catastrophic failures: blown head gaskets. Step 4. Brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, reducing braking performance and corroding internal components. Even if brakes feel fine, old fluid damages ABS pumps and calipers. What to do? Flush brake fluid every 2 to 3 years. Use a high-quality DOT fluid as specified for your car. Result: brakes stay sharp, ABS components last longer, and safety remains top-notch for decades. Step 5. Power steering and differential fluids every 50,000 miles. This is the habit almost nobody does, but it's one of the biggest factors in long-term reliability. Power steering pumps and differentials work under constant stress, and old fluid leads to noisy steering, worn gears, and even total pump failure. What to do? Flush power steering fluid every 50,000 miles or sooner in older hydraulic systems. Replace differential fluid every 50,000 miles, especially if towing or driving in extreme conditions. Result: steering components and driveline gears remain quiet and strong well past 200,000 miles. Step 6. Regular filter and spark plug changes. Air filters, cabin filters, and fuel filters keep contaminants out of your engine and HVAC system. Spark plugs, meanwhile, ensure optimal combustion. Neglecting these leads to misfires, poor MPG, and increased wear. What to do? Air filter, every 12,000 of 15,000 miles. Cabin filter, every 12,000 miles, or annually. Fuel filter, every 40,000 miles, if replaceable. Spark plugs, every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on type. Result: cleaner combustion, better MPG, smoother running, and less carbon buildup in the engine. Step 7. Tire care and alignment. You might wonder, what do tires have to do with engine longevity? A lot. Poor alignment and underinflated tires put extra stress on suspension components, wheel bearings, and even the drivetrain. Over time, that stress transfers to your engine, forcing it to work harder. What to do? Check tire pressure monthly and keep it at manufacturer recommended levels. Rotate tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. Have alignment checked annually, or if you hit a pothole or curb. Result: your car rolls easier, fuel economy improves, and suspension parts last longer, protecting the rest of the vehicle. Step 8. Battery and electrical system checks. Modern cars rely heavily on electronics, and a weak battery or corroded terminals can stress the charging system. A failing alternator or ECU malfunction due to voltage irregularities is expensive to repair. What to do? Test battery voltage and charging system twice a year. Clean battery terminals and apply dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. Replace the battery proactively every 4 to 5 years. Result: avoid random electrical issues and protect sensitive electronics, extending the lifespan of components that often fail prematurely when electrical systems are neglected. Step 9. Regular undercarriage and body inspections. Rust is a car killer, especially in regions with snow, salt, or coastal climates. A solid drivetrain doesn't mean much if the frame or suspension mounts corrode away. What to do? Wash the undercarriage monthly during winter or after beach trips. Inspect for rust and treat it early with rust inhibitors or coatings. Apply wax or ceramic coating to paint annually for extra protection. Result: preventing corrosion can literally double a vehicle's usable life in harsh climates. Step 10. Drive smart. Even the best maintenance won't save a car from aggressive driving. Hard acceleration, abrupt braking, and frequent short trips all accelerate wear. What to do? Drive gently until the engine reaches operating temperature. Avoid unnecessary idling. Combine short trips into longer ones to prevent moisture buildup in the oil and exhaust. Result: gentle driving habits significantly reduce wear on internal engine components, brakes, and suspension. Bonus habit: keep records and stay consistent. One of the most overlooked secrets to long-term ownership is record keeping. Knowing exactly when maintenance was performed prevents accidental neglect. It also raises resale value if you ever sell your vehicle. What to do? Keep a maintenance log or use apps designed for vehicle tracking. Store receipts for all parts and services performed. Set reminders for scheduled maintenance. Result: you'll never forget critical services, and future buyers, if you sell, will pay a premium for a well-documented, well-maintained car. The psychology behind long-lasting cars. When you commit to a strict maintenance routine, your relationship with your car changes. It's no longer just transportation. It becomes an asset worth protecting. That shift leads to better driving habits, early detection of problems, and a mindset of preventative care instead of costly repairs. And the result? Peace of mind. You won't be worrying about breakdowns or massive repair bills because you've already taken steps to prevent them. Real-world example. Meet Linda, who owns a 2004 Toyota Corolla with over 480,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. How? She followed a similar maintenance routine. Oil changes every 5,000 miles, transmission fluid every 40,000, coolant every 3 years, and brake fluid every 2 years. She also kept meticulous records and avoided aggressive driving. The car still runs strong, proving it's not luck, it's commitment. Your challenge. Here's what I want you to do this week. Pick one maintenance item from this list you've been neglecting and do it today. Make a plan for the rest. Set reminders on your phone or use a simple spreadsheet. Comment below. What's the one maintenance habit you've been skipping and how do you plan to fix it? Your comment might inspire someone else to take action and save thousands in future repairs. Final thoughts. A car lasting 20+ years isn't magic, and it isn't luck. It's the result of consistency and care. Follow this ultimate routine, and you won't just extend your car's life. You'll enjoy years of reliable, safe, and cost-effective driving. And who knows, your car might one day be that legendary vehicle that friends and neighbors can't believe is still going strong. So are you ready to start building your 20-year car? It all begins with one step. Start now, and your future self will thank you.